Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. This is not the basic educational stuff. I just wanted to share with you all that I got a new phone. I'm really excited. Yeah, I recently got it. It's been a week, I guess. So this is the latest phone, iPhone 15. Yeah, honestly speaking, I wanted to get 14 because there was this big billion days sale. I waited like 10 months for the sale, but my friends were like, let's just go with the latest version. Anyhow, you're getting a phone. So get a latest version. So I went to the Bajaj Electronics store and I got it from there. So I guess I took the Bajaj card. Yeah, Bajaj card. Yeah, it was a really long process. I spent 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours in that store, and I finally got this. I went for the basic matte black color because honestly speaking, all of the other variants were out of stock, like pink or blue and yellow. I don't know who gets yellow, but yeah. So in this box, I got this phone and this USB cable. As you can see, this was the C-type, right? The adapter, I had to get it, iPhone doesn't give you an adapter. It just gives you a cable. So separately, I got it and it was 1700. The phone around 80,000. Yeah, give or change because including the Bajaj card. So yeah, 80,000. And coming to the case, yeah, the silicone one. Honestly speaking, what happened was once we took the phone, we were like the tempered glass and the case thing. That's the next thing because you can't drop this phone. If you drop this phone, repair charges will be very high, right? I took an insurance as well. I think it was 1 year, 6K, something like that. Yeah, it's all in the it's math, right? Coming to this case, yeah, we casually asked the store people who were working there, what is the cost of this each case? And he just said very politely, it's just 5K. And me and my friends were like, okay, no, let's not. It's not. He just said literally 5K. So we took the phone, we just came out from the store, and then what happened was after waiting 2 days, it was so hard to back up all my charts from Android to iOS. I used that app, moved to iOS thing. I downloaded my Android, then moved all the chats and all the other stuff into this. And this phone is very, very, very smooth. And I think you have to download the YouTube and the Chrome as well from the Apple. Set up your Apple ID as well. This case, coming to this case, the place where I work, the IT park, there they had this exhibition. So people were selling all these stuff like clothes, beauty products, brownies, books and all. So I just saw this case and somehow it was of 500. So I was like, I just all I could do was bargain till 400 because I'm very bad at bargaining. So he's like, Bhaiya was like, okay, I'll give you at 400 karke. He gave me this. Yeah, I just like it. I don't know how uh, I'll maintain this phone because I am very clumsy and I tend to like the phone tend to fall from my hand. The previous phone, I think it has like lots of cracks, but hopefully I've been very careful these days using my phone. And look at this, I really love this feature. Like, click on this, you can just lock your screen or volume up or volume down. This is something I like. And if you go to more, you can just take a screenshot of it. This feature, I really like this feature. I am still getting a hang of this. Android to iOS, moving from Android to iOS is not that easy. I'm still learning. There are few of my friends who use iPhone, so hopefully they can teach me. That's all. Yes, I took it as I said, Bajaj card, EMI only. I do work, so but I'm really happy because I got it. I just got it for myself with the money I earned. So something I'm really proud of because yeah, this is the first thing I got for myself. Really happy that I got it. That's all, guys. I'll be back with another video related to mattresses, hopefully. And please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.